it's time to eat some food for the sake, because I was down with flu, maybe not flu, food sickness, not food, overeating sickness, or diarrhea, or flu-like symptoms, lethargy and whatnot. So first off, we have the stock or the soup. This soup is slightly sour. It's from okay, it's got the pickled vegetable, like it's like a cucumber. So this soup, I got it from the chicken rice stall below or near this apartment. So I'm going to heat it up. Before that, turn it on. Yep, heat that one up. And I'm going to put the rice here, which has been cooked and is dry, because I wanted to use the rice for, you know, recall that thing which is delicious, fried rice. Yes, of course I should not be eating anything that is oily, but I just can't stand it. I want to eat some luncheon meat that goes well with anything and everything in the world. I'm not going to have any onion oil or garlic oil, and I don't try to avoid oil. And I'm going to have an egg for protein purposes, and of course this one is scallion or onion, just to, I'm not sure what it is for, but maybe it'll make it taste better, who knows. Okie dokie. I was trying to chop the onions, or spring onion. Begin here, I think. Why do they call it scallion? What does it mean? Scallion, onions. What's the difference? I think that's enough, huh? It's quite a lot already. Quite a lot of onions. So it goes well with soup, any type of soup. Like scallion or onion is quite slippery. Okay, that's enough. Don't want to make it too oniony, the whatever you call it, the soup. So dump this one back in some hole, or just dump it in the, put this in the fridge. Just dump it like this and fill it with a bit of water. Put it in the fridge for later use, hopefully tomorrow. Oh, getting sick is just terrible. I missed another event, which is called the some kind of challenge, a ciabatta bun challenge. You get to eat free if you finish the whole burger in 3 minutes. So I do not dare to go today, because I'm quite weak. I'm still very weak. Still very weak. So I don't want to make myself sick by going through the going on my bike and be subject to the wind. Is it ready? It's moving, it's bubbly, so let's put this delicious thing here into the oil. Nice. Double nice. Fry. Even before it starts boiling, I'm going to put the dry cooked rice into the pot, like so. Oh fuck. Nothing. luncheon meat is ready, aka spam, something that Hawaiians and fat Polynesians love. Spam, and girls love sperm. Different spelling, different pronunciation, same concept. It's made from protein. So let it boil, of course. And yeah, it's ready now. Time to take it out of the pot. Stabbing it. That's all. Stabby stab stab. Make sure the oil drips off nicely. That's my delicious sperm. And let's wait for it to boil. This one here. My sister bought a curry puff from IKEA. It's quite big, so let's eat it, even though it's quite oily, just for science and stuff. Make it crunchy. So that's my break dinner for tonight. Egg and salty sour soup, and curry puff is for me, is it? The curry puff? Which one? There's only one curry puff, what?
You tell me you don't want.
Oh.
Take it lah.
Okay. I fried it, that's why I just want to experiment. Oh, almost forgot about the scallions or spring onions. What's the difference between scallions and spring onions?
Same.
Same thing. Why they make two words It's confusing.
Fry it. Oh. Yeah, you need fry for me this one. Got ah?
That's
No
what?
already.
You want ah?
No.
You want ah?
Finish already, not?
So you want the Indian stuff or not?
I don't want the Indian, I want luncheon meat. No, I don't want it.
Okay. You don't want ah? Okay. There's a lot of luncheon meat inside the box inside here ah.
Huh? Where?
Auto ah. Inside the box here in the old fridge. So get it from here lah huh?
Oh, you
Here ah.
took out one tin and that's what.
Ah.
Big, you know.
And I tried the balls just veggie balls disgusting this VQ soy balls.
Disgusting.
BMS Organics is disgusting. I mean it's not nice lah.
It's not edible.
Tastes
Is it edible?
tastes like cardboard. Means no taste lah.